أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters here. How are you all? Kindly make use of the chat box. Let it be an interactive session, inshallah ta'ala. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and good by the izn of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Nice to see you all here. Alhamdulillah. Barakallahu fiki. So alhamdulillah, we are into the day 13th of this editing course. MashaAllah, alhamdulillah. How are you all finding it? Is it going easy with you all? Have you learned a new skill? Probably you are learning a new thing every day, right? Every day you're just getting to learn a new thing in the editing, right? Alhamdulillah. MashaAllah, barakallahu fiki. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. This is the most important ability or the task that you can learn, the skill, the soft skill that you can have. Fine. So alhamdulillah, this will be very beneficial for you in the future. Fine. Whenever you go through any of the apps where you find the editing options, these all of the things that we have learned, the tools and more will be very helpful, quite helpful for you. For example, when you're going to create the Instagram reels, there also you will find the timeline thing. There also you will find the layers. There will also you will find the transitions. There you will find the layers to add up with that, the text layer and more. Okay, even on the Instagram reels and all, you have the editing tools, editing options over there. Also, these editing tools and things that we have learned will be helpful for you. Fine. Okay, alhamdulillah. So rectify your intentions. We are going to begin this the special training. We are going to continue the special training. Alhamdulillah, we are into the day 3rd of our training. Inshallah, today also we'll be taking up the Quranic recitation. We will be cutting it short, how to cut it short and how to make it into the WhatsApp statuses and more. We'll just see all of that in today's class, and we will see more of the aspects like how to add the background videos based on the ayahs, or how to add a single wallpaper for the entire video, or how to duplicate it in the project and keep, how to just duplicate the project, how to just duplicate the ayahs and keep. We will see all of it in today's class, inshallah. So rectify your intention, so that we are going to do this just for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, so that we can earn reward, and so that it will be a source of sadaqah jariyah for us in future, and inshallah it can be a means of career, is a source of a career, inshallah, for you all. So rectify your intentions and begin with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, so that Allah puts barakah in your time, in your efforts, in your skills, inshallah ta'ala. Seek help from Almighty Allah with the du'as. Allahumma anfa'na bima 'allamtana wa 'allimna ma yanfa'una wa zidna ilma. Allah, Allahumma anfa'na bima 'allamtana. Allah, grant me a knowledge that is of benefit. And you just there's the word that was said at the beginning, right? Hope you all have learned its meaning whenever I was reciting it throughout the class. Allah, grant me benefit in what you have taught me, and teach me only the useful knowledge, and increase me in knowledge. This is such a beautiful dua, right? Allahumma anfa'na bima 'allamtana wa 'allimna ma yanfa'una wa zidna ilma. Allah, teach me only the useful knowledge and increase me in knowledge. We are asking Allah to teach us the knowledge that is of benefit, right? Alhamdulillah, Allah, make this knowledge a beneficial knowledge to each one of us here. Ameen, summa ameen. So alhamdulillah, we are into the day 13th of this course with this zeal and with much positivity. Let's begin the session, inshallah ta'ala. A quick recap, just look at whatever we have studied. Just go through all of this as asset marketplace. Make use of each and every tool that we have learned in the previous classes, the first 10 days of our course. Hope you all will you have found all the 10 days beneficial, inshallah ta'ala. The last 2 days we have been editing the Quranic reminder videos, the Quranic Tilawa videos, inshallah. This will be a Sadqa Jariyah project, inshallah. I'll be uploading all of your homeworks that you have sent on the various YouTube channels, inshallah ta'ala. I want you all to put entire creativity in it, inshallah. So, dear sisters and brothers here, are you all ready with the two devices? If not, no problem. One device is sufficient. I want you all to take down the important points and do it after the class, or look into the recording and complete the homework and send it to me, inshallah. So these are the special training sessions that we are having the next 7 days, inshallah ta'ala, and today as well. We are dealing with the Quranic recitation videos, the Quranic Tilawa videos. And inshallah, from tomorrow's class, we are going to begin with the business promo videos and more, inshallah. If you have some business of any kind, for example, if you're going to do or you're going to take up the business videos, for example, if you want to make anniversary sale videos for a business, you can just take it over the project. You can take over this project and you can do it as such, inshallah. I'll teach you how to do such videos. Those are very simple videos. So you can make it as a career also, inshallah. I'll show you how I have edited for most of the professions, inshallah, so that you can just make use of it, inshallah. So with the zeal, let's begin, inshallah. Please let's just rectify your intentions that you're doing this for the sake of Allah. The Quranic Tilawa videos, make it with the right intention, inshallah, so that Allah makes it reach to the larger audience, inshallah ta'ala. So let me begin with the session of the editing. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Let me just start with the screen sharing. I want you all to open up the KineMaster application. Okay, and if you have any doubts, you can just put it there, inshallah, on the chat box. I'll be available through the another device, inshallah. I'll answer you in the chat while the class is going, inshallah. So Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So we enter the KineMaster here. Hope you all are very familiar with this app now, right? Yes, it has been almost the 10 days into this app. Most of you have got so familiar with this app, alhamdulillah. Most of our students, mashallah, have spent a lot of time on this app editing the content that was given in yesterday's class, mashallah, barakallahu fiki. May Allah give ajr for every second that you have spent while editing this video, the Surah Ad-Duha video. May Allah help you reach this video that you have edited to the vast audience, inshallah ta'ala. So, okay, with this zeal, let's begin this creation of this video. I just made some changes to this video. What I did was, can you all tell me in the chat box what changes did I do to this video? The video that was behind was deleted, and I just added some few new videos to it based on the verses. Okay, so I'll show how it went. I'll show you how it went. What I did was, I removed the mask that I placed to the entire video and just shortened it up and made it as a lower third. Where is the lower third here? It is here, right? Okay, I'll just stop this up. This is the lower third that you have, right? I made it into the entire mask, I converted into the lower third, and I just added the translation and this one to this, and the background video is played so that the background video is visible to all of you. I made it as such. Okay, you can just make it a white lower third, or this one. The background was added so that this text is highlighted, fine. So this was a dark background, this was a black text, so we had to do some changes. I just added the lower third, the entire white. I just removed the entire white mask and just cropped it out and just made it into this one and masked it. I masked it with a rectangle, okay, with the curved ending, a rectangle with the curved ending. I'll just show you and I'll just play it how it's working. See how beautiful it looks, right? Okay, and few more things here, dear sisters. What I did was, the first thing, I did some animation with this Surah Ad-Duha. What I did was, I placed it here, fine. I'll just place this. We have placed it somewhere here before, right? Now I'll tell you how the animation worked. Probably you all know what was the animation tool that I used. I told you it will be dealt in the advanced editing course, but I wanted to make this look interesting, so I used this tool here to show you how we are going to use the animation to this Surah Ad-Duha while the project is playing. So what will you use, my dear brothers and sisters, while you're going to open up the animation, while you're going to deal with the animation? Which tool are you going to use? Please type in the chat box. I want to see which are you going to use. Yes, what are you going to use? Is it not the keyframe? Yes, the keyframe you're going to use. Fine. This is the keyframe that you're going to use. Where is the keyframe? It is over here. This is the keyframe that you're going to use. Fine. What you will do, you'll just add it up. You'll just open the keyframe, place it somewhere at the first beginning, and go to this any point where you want to make it a move, and just go till the duration where you want to make it to move, and just add the keyframe. Press the plus button here, the plus key button here. Fine. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to move it from this place that was already here. It was already here, right? I moved it to the, it was here, then I moved it to the place where I wanted to rest, where I wanted it to rest after the animation. So that was it. And then you play it, and it appeared from this position to this position. See how the sort of it. If you want, I'll show it to you again. I'll just remove this up, and I'll show you how you have edited keyframe. I've already told this is used in advanced animation. This is cool. This is very easy, and this is complicated option that you can use in cartoons as well. Okay, that KineMaster offers you, and no other application offers you as such. Okay, without just buying it, they won't offer it. For this, a KineMaster offers you free of cost. Fine. So I want you to just learn this up. This sort of thing, I just placed it here at this first, and then I'll add the keyframe. Fine. Then I'll go to a position here. Okay, when the first eye appears, I want it to move from this place to some other place. So what I do is add the keyframe. I just go to the 2 seconds. I press on the plus button here. Where is the plus button? Can you just see? Rounded up and plus button. Okay, I have placed a playhead there. I'll just move this from here till here. Okay, and just I'll decrease its size. Okay, I'll just decrease its size, and again I'll place it to the middle. Fine, it is fine. It is here now. Now when I play this up and see when I play this up, the first position was here, right? At here. It now when I placed it up for the 2 seconds, it will go till here. See how the animation worked. Okay, just play it out and see how it's working. Recording in progress. So this is how it plays. Yes, Alhamdulillah. Hope you all have found it good, right? Yeah, this is how it plays, and we can just place whatever videos you want at the behind this as a background videos. Fine. So are you all finding it interesting? I want you all to remove the background video that was in the previous class and add it up with some other background videos that you want to use in today's class, inshallah. I want you all to replace the project with some other background videos that you want to put it here, inshallah. Come on, dear sisters and brothers, give it a try. Yes. All you're okay? Please give it a try. Chalo. I want you all to use this animation tool now. Yes. Are you all using it, dear sisters and brothers? Please type in the chat box. I want to see what you're up with. Yes, this is how you're going to use it. Yes, yes, mashallah. A few of you have used Barakallahu Fiki, and most of you, I want all of you to reply to my questions, please. I want you to tell me whether you're using this animation tool. Okay, and one more thing, dear sisters and brothers. I want you all to change the background video that was given in yesterday's class to something different. Okay, I've provided it in the background videos. The drive link is provided already. I want you all to just go through the drive link and put it there. Fine. Okay, and put any of the videos that you want. So how to replace the videos? I have told you one option that you all are going to use. That is the pinning option. Okay, you have to use the pin option before replacing the videos. Pin options. Fine. You have to pin this all of the text kind of things there, and then use the deletion of the behind videos, the background videos. Fine. And this way you can do it. And one more question that was asked yesterday in yesterday's class was how to change the color of the text. Okay, this was a green screen content that I had used. You could not change the color of the content because I had to change the white of the background to the to look it like a to remove the background. Fine. So let me just try with the PNG files. Where did you all get the PNG from? From the everyaya.com, right? Yes. How did you all download it? You just went to the site and download it, right? So I have downloaded it for you. So here is a PNG for Wadduha. So what do you all have to do? You have to just download it from there, download the PNG and place it here. Oh, and you have to see how much duration you're going to place it for, right? Okay. So this is the file that we have. This is the PNG of the ayah number 1 that we have. Okay, let me just place it here. It's being placed. Okay, let me just increase its size and place it somewhere exactly at the translation part, right? Okay, it's placed here. And most of you wanted to change this color to white. Okay, you can just easily change this color to white. How to change it? Just increase the brightness of this, dear sisters and brothers. Go to the adjustment, increase the size, increase the brightness, it will be white. Increase the contrast, check each of the options and see you can just make it white within moments. Okay, just try checking off. If this is not possible, go and check the black and white option that is available there. Okay, give all of these a try. Inshallah, you can just change the color and see. Check with the temperature if possible. I want you to check with the where is the next option? The blending options. Probably it is possible through the blending options. I want to check each of the options and see which option will help you convert this color into the white color. Okay, try it out and see. With a PNG, you can easily do it. I want you all to try it out and see. Okay, probably the hard light also works. It will just help in the removing of the darker background, the white background behind. Fine, give it a try. If it is not possible, let me know. Inshallah, I'll help you out after that. Okay, there is also something called as the black and white in the effects. Where is the effects that you have? Okay, there's a filters in this. In this, there is something called black and white also. You can add it all like that. Mono, there is something called mono. You just try it out with each of the options and say if the conversion of black into white is possible, or else you have to extract the white PNG if you want from the other sites, inshallah, that are available on the Google. You can just Google it and see if possible you can do that, or you can just make it by using some tools that are here. Okay, by the adjustments and more. Okay, so we'll see how we can do it if possible with the saturation and more. Probably it's not possible here with the increase in brightness and more. Please give it a try, my dear sisters and brothers. I want you to try it with your KineMaster. Just be quite creative in doing all of these options, using all of these options and using all of these tools, inshallah. So this will be possible. This is actually possible. I used to do in the itself, inshallah. Just give it a try, inshallah. So this was about how you're just going to convert the black text into white text. Okay, give it a try, inshallah. So the next thing that I wanted to tell was how to remove the background videos and just to change it to something that you want. Okay, for example, if I want to change the background video for the next 3 texts. Okay, so I have just added the background videos, a few of the background videos for 1 to 5 ayahs. If you want to add it for the next ayahs, what you have to do is you have to match it with the content that is being posted here. Okay, the content that is in the translation. For example, the word duha, it states that it is a morning brightness, right? So you can just add something that is some video that has a morning brightness. For example, this video shows some morning brightness. You can add such a background video that shows this one. Okay, and this way you can just give it a try. And what's more, and the next, it shows that the by the night when it covers with the darkness, you can just show the darkness video and behind. You can play the videos along with the ayahs so that this video will become eye-catching. So this is a homework for you all, for all of you today. What all of you have to do is you have to remove the video that was given yesterday in the first and second day of the training sessions. I want to delete this on you all, to delete this video, pin up all of this, and then you just have to replace it with the small videos that are available in the drive link that I have shared. Okay, if you want help for me with me, I'll just share all of the contents that you want. If you want to have the background videos for darkness, for the light, or something like there's something like your Lord has not taken leave of you, so you can just add some Quranic video behind, or something like that. The hereafter is better than you, than the first life, the life of this world. You just can show, you can just show the something like that. Okay, we can just match the backgrounds with the content that is being posted. Okay, and what more, there is something more that I have added here. I have added a lower third here, dear sisters. Okay, lower third, because these black things were not visible, I just added a lower third, which is a background content. What I did was I just removed something from the from the mask content that I masked it all. So what I did was I removed it and just placed this one here. Fine. I'll just show you how did I do it. It was a bigger thing, right? It was bigger thing. It was something like some bigger mask that I had done to the entire video. What I did was I just shortened this, I just cropped it up. How to crop this up, dear sisters and brothers? How to crop it up? Just go to the cropping. It was something big. It was something till here or something big. What I did was I added a mask there. I made the shape in this form and this, and also you can add a feather of any quantity, but the feather won't be good, won't look good. You also can add the feather and see if okay, this would be looking fine. Okay, you can go with this as well. Okay, and so this is what you can all use. Fine, this is how you're going to make excellent video, inshallah ta'ala. So put all of your creativity and send the next video that you're going to send, inshallah. The next video is nothing but you're going to add, the next homework would be, inshallah, you're going to add change the background videos, and you're going to send me the entire content, inshallah. This, you're just going to change the background video and do not change anything in the text. Fine, text and audio, let it match each other. Only the background video changing is very easy. You have to pin this up, okay, or else the ordering will change, my dear brothers and sisters. The ordering of the text will change if you do not pin this content up. Okay, so please pin the content and keep, and just change the background videos. This is a homework for you, all of you, inshallah. So this was the session regarding the Quranic recitation video. And also I want you all to make some WhatsApp status video, Instagram status video from this. How would you do this? You just have to extract the few ayahs. What you'll do, you'll just do an export option. Okay, you're just going to export this up. Fine, you're just going to save this up. If you're going to save, I'll just save it in so small format because it do not have much memory in my cell phone, much memory left in my cell phone. So if you'll save it in the smallest format, okay. Okay, if you'll save it and then you want to extract only one ayah from this, okay, what you have to do is, well, so for you, you just have to go and trim it left and trim it right, and just split options and put the small video that you want to put into wherever you want. For example, I'll just show you some. You have to just go to the create new videos. You're going to create a WhatsApp story, so you have to change the aspect ratios. Where are you going to change the aspect ratio with? Create new. If you want to make it an Instagram reel or asset, 4:5, change it. Create, put on the create option. Okay, and then whichever you want, you will just see if it is available in the WhatsApp videos. Okay, any videos that you have. Okay, for example, I've created this video yesterday. If this was the video that I created and I want only the verse 2 to 3 as on the Instagram story or something like that, crop only those ayahs that you want and just place it on the WhatsApp story. From here itself you can crop, and then you can just share it, or you just can export it and keep it. Fine, so this is how we actually created. So this is how actually the white fonting also works, the white font thing that you can just apply. Okay, you just give it a try, dear sisters and brothers. Whoever wanted the white fonts, it is same as that. You just have to increase the brightness of the font or use some of the filter and adjustment options and see. Okay, I want you all to give it a try. That is also a homework for you. Just change the font colors and see in your KineMaster app. I want to see which option is working for you all. Okay, inshallah, it's quite easy option. Let's please give it a try. Fine, this is how you all do it. And one more, some other student has asked me how to use the pinning option. It was already discussed in yesterday's class, dear sister. If you want, please watch the recording. If okay, if not, I'll just help you out here how you're going to pin it. You're just going to select that. You're just going to select it. Okay, just select the thing that you're not going to miss it. Okay, you just not have to miss it. Click on it, and there is some pin here. Okay, on the left bottom, there's some pin on the left bottom. Click on it. That's all. I'll move this here. So this is here. Pin is here. Okay, this is the pin. It will actually pin it up there, and the ordering won't change even if you delete the videos or add any number of contents, or if you add any number of videos. This one, the background videos, so the text won't change. The layering won't change. Fine. The orders of the layer won't change if you have pinned it to the timeline. Fine. remember, you have to pin it before you're going to do any edits to the background videos or background audios. Fine, this is how you can get the final video, and you just have to export this content. That's all. Okay, hope you all are finding it interesting and easy to go, inshallah. So alhamdulillah, so this was a video for the day. The homework, please take it down. You are going to change the background video. Okay, change the background videos. This is a homework for you all. Background video, and send me the final content that you have. Change the background videos. The background video should match with the content. Okay, match with the content. You can use any number of things, any number of filters there, anything, any effects you can use on the on the videos that you're going to apply. Fine. And if you find the text is not looking appearing good, so you can just add a mask to the text so that it is more visible. That's all. Okay, you can just add a masking to it, or we can make it a lower third there. Okay, you also have different options to change this lower thirds. Okay, I have already told there are lower thirds that are available on the KineMaster. Where did I say? Do you all remember that? It's in the stickers, right? It's in the stickers. You can just choose any number of banners to just put it there. Okay, you can just take it and put some banners and put this text in that. Okay, so this all will be very helpful for you, inshallah. Just give it a try. I'll show you some of my works that will that might help you out, inshallah. So there might be some videos here. Okay, those are the videos for some channels. This probably won't help. These are just intros and outros. Fine. Okay. Okay. Was WhatsApp videos. Okay, it's here. Okay. Oh, okay. For the Surat al-Duha, you also can add a simple wallpaper behind. Yesterday, I had sent it in the class as well, in the codes group as well. It's just nothing but what did I do here was I just added simple wallpaper behind all of this. Fine. This it looks good. If you find the backgrounds difficult for you to add, just add simple background, add transitions to it, add some effects to it, and keep. Okay, whatever you want to give it a try, you can give it a try, my dear sisters and brothers. But the content that is here is excellent, right? It is the words of Ar-Rahman. These are the words of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It will always be the best, right? So I want you to make the best videos out of it, inshallah ta'ala. You have to put all of the creativity and make it seem and look good, inshallah ta'ala. So this is how you do it. And finally, you can just add like, subscribe button, or whatever it is. It's this all last things that you can add are already available on the YouTube or as such. Okay, you can just download it and add from there. So few more things, inshallah. These were the things that we had to discuss about the Quranic Tilawah videos and the homework you all have to remember. Okay, and tomorrow's class and today's class, I'll begin with how we are going to create the business promotional videos. Fine, I'll show you some of the business promotional videos that I have made for different organizations, or what we call it as a different people's the different okay, entrepreneurs, for example. Okay, I just created it for them so that okay, so for example, this video. Okay, this was for some mobile shop. Okay, you can just look into it. This was video created for a mobile shop. You can also create these videos as such. These are very easy to create, and you can just charge 1K to 2K for each of the videos, my dear sisters and brothers. Okay, I'll just show you how this looks beautifully. Beautifully it looks. It was taken in 2022. Okay, this was a video that I had created. I'll show you how this was done. This was quite easy to make. I'll just show you the tricks and tactics. How did I do with it? I'll just show you what I did with this was I just had a background video. Fine. Oh, this was the background video. Okay, I'll just show you. Where is it? It's probably here. Yes, it is a background video with a green screen in it. I'll just show you. See here, it was a background video with a green screen in it. So this is not it. You just have to delete the green screen. You just have to remove the green screen and add it add their content there. That's all. Okay, so I want you all to make use of these opportunities, even if you get after the video editing, after learning this course, inshallah. I want you all to make use of any of the opportunities that you will get, inshallah, and give this all a try. Okay, and so probably I do not have the background video for this now, inshallah. I'll be dealing with that in tomorrow's class, inshallah, in details. Fine. So I want to, okay, there were some chats, the questions in the chats, probably couldn't get it. I want you all to just type it now or inshallah later, maybe later. Yes, I'll just look into it after the class, inshallah. I'm not getting the chat box right now, so I'll see it after the class. Okay, so if you're going to use the business promotional videos, I'll provide these videos in tomorrow's class. Fine, I'll just tell you the tricks and tactics how you're going to work with it. Okay, I'll just show you more of the videos that I've created for the business promotions and more. Okay, so this was the first video, and more videos I'll just show you. So all of these you can just say edit it, and you can just make it a carrier, inshallah. Just give it a try, dear sisters and brothers. This is another video that I had created from this. Okay, this was the blank copy. Fine. Okay, I'll show you. Just delete this up. Delete this up. Okay, this was a blank copy that I had. Okay, this from this blank video, what I created, I'll just show you. Okay, this is a blank video that I had with a green screen. Okay, this is the green screen that they provide. Okay, and the green screen, I just have added their content of the shop that they were going to advertise. Fine, so this was the green screen that was provided. What I did was, this was my edits. I'll show you. This was my edits. Okay, how we do it, how we just add the something at the background. We can make it more eye-catching. Just see here, this is how we do it. This is how I do it. See? Hope you all are finding it good to look, right? It's quite interesting that you can create such masterpieces just with a green screen thing. Okay, this is just a green screen, that the effects that we have applied, and we have added up the promotions for the shop that they have just given me the information that they wanted. The information was already given by them. I just had to create some flyers and add it up behind this green screen. That's all. Okay, this is how you all do it. Probably you all are finding it interesting to do, right? Okay, this is how we do it. Okay, so you and I, you also can do this, inshallah. And for a few more, I'll just show you a few more how the business promotional videos work for each one of you. If you can do it for your own businesses, for example, if you have something for the hijab or something kind of the cloth stores, if you are a cloth reseller or something like that, you can just create your own content in that way. For example, they wanted an Instagram video which states such things like there was some trend like call me when you want, it was something like that. I had created this. Just look in. How did we do this? It was purely the animation thing that worked. Okay? It was created for a supermarket, so this is how you do it, right? It is very easy. It's just a 5-second video which charged me which I can just generate make a career through those just by using the videos, or you can, this was a very simple edits. What edits did I do? Can you all tell me what were the edits that we made here? Yes, dear sisters, can you all tell me? Dear sisters or brothers here, can you all tell me what edits did I make here? It is nothing but I added a lower third, right? Added a lower third with something called with a photos background, and the animation was given. Animation was very important, okay, which I told you the keyframe you will learn in advance, but if you practice by yourself, you'll learn it easily. Here, these were the flyers you were already given. This you can just make use of the KineMaster itself, and you can just edit such a video. So this was a promotional business promotional videos and more that you can just create by your own self, inshallah. I'll teach you how to do that. I'll provide you some of the content, or also you can also provide me some content if you want your promotion. We will deal with your business promotion in tomorrow's class if you want to make me a flyer for you, inshallah. Anyone, you just can send me your business promotion or something you want. We'll just create for it and we all will work on it and we'll just make a masterpiece out of it, inshallah, in the tomorrow's class. Okay, or I'll just give you my own works that I have to do, inshallah. We will just do work on it, inshallah. Okay, probably if you have Janet, then it will be good, so that we can all work on the single project that is for the business, inshallah. So I hope you all have found it very interesting to do all of this, right? So you just have to have some great green screen content that is already available on the YouTube channels. They are the graphic designers. They make use of Adobe Premiere Pro. Even the graphic things, the graphic designers that they make, these things are also very easy. Fine, these are already available on the most of the editing apps on the PC or laptops as such. Okay, so we just don't have to go in depth like that. We just have the video editors. We already have the editing options that the graphic designers have. We can just extract the videos that they give free of cost. They are giving it free of cost. They are available on i4 edits. Some of the green screen content that you want, i4 edits on YouTube. Okay, they provide everything, every promotional video with the green screen effect. You just can add your logo, you just can add your business promotional flyers in it, and you just can make a beautiful business promo flyers and all. So what we are dealing is not the video creation but the video editing, right? So what we do is we just remove the green screen of it, and they actually provide it free of cost, right? So we just add it up there, and we just make a beautiful content in whatever way we want. Okay, so these are the things that you all can make use of. Fine, dear sisters and brothers, if you any doubts, inshallah, I'll see the chat box after the class because it's not visible for me right now. So this is how we are going to deal with. For example, if this is the thing that you are going to use for the business promotion, what you're just going to do is you are just going to import it as a layer. Okay, you're just going to import it as a layer and not the base video. On the base things, you have to apply the flyers or something for the logos, their promotions, that whatever the business wants to give you. You just can apply it in the base, and this you have to take it as a layer. Okay, let me just duplicate it as a layer and show you how it works. Duplicate it as a layer, and behind, what you have to do is you have to delete the background. Okay, you have to delete this background. Okay, let me just delete this background. Something else appears here because it will reorder it, right? So let me just delete all of the backgrounds and show you if I want to make use of only this content. Okay, so this was it, right? So I just apply something here, whitish or something like that, as a base, some image asset, the white as a base. Okay, let it be as a base, and I'll just increase the durations of this. Okay, this is how you do it. Okay, you can also place this video inside that green screen. Fine, so this green screen is here. What you have to do is you're just going to pan and zoom and make it appear till this one. Fine, this will be sent to you all, inshallah. Tomorrow in tomorrow's class we'll edit it together. Fine, this will be sent to you all soon, inshallah. You'll just keep this here, and you're going to do something called as, what are you going to do for removing the green screen, dear sisters and brothers? Yes, what is the tool? You all have to remember the tool. That's quite important. The chroma key option. Fine, it is not in many of that is not available free of cost in any of the devices, any of the editing apps except the KineMaster. Fine, probably few of the devices have it, but it's not available free of cost, and it is very difficult there. So what you have to do, you have to use the green screen. You're just going to remove the green screen, right? So you're going to use the key color as green. Okay, key color green is very important. So the green is faded out. Okay, the behind background, the white background is seen here. In the white background, you can type anything and keep, or you can do something like that. The green went out, right? It did just disappeared as such. You just, instead of green, you can just add any logo instead of that. I'll just show you how you'll add the logo in this white part, that instead of green part they have showed the white part, right? Just add some logo behind, or you can just delete the base video and just make your own video, and you just can move your own videos as such. Okay, we'll see all of that in tomorrow's class, inshallah ta'ala. So the layers actually works wonder. You just can place the layer in front, you just can place the layer behind. Okay, there was some flyer. We will just work on any of the flyer that we have. I'll just see which flyer do I have here. Okay, Okay, I'll just show you with this video. Fine, I just took this as a video. Okay, so this is a video layer that I've inserted. Okay, so this video layer, let me make it appear inside this green screen. So what I have to do, I have to send this layer behind. Fine, send this layer behind. So send it backward. Fine, send to back. You can just write. You can just send it to the back. Okay, now it's sent to the back. Fine. Now this layer you have, this video layer. Fine, you have just removed the whitish from it, right, from the greenish from it. So when you remove the greenish content from that, you're going to insert this there. Okay, so to insert this there, probably the whitish that has the greenish thing that has this that has been removed from the layer behind, what has happened there is, okay, I'll just tell you what has happened there. The key version that we have taken there, the chroma key, this one is not proper because it should be solidified. Okay, now it is fine. Now it is fine. Okay, it's actually showing the white from behind. Okay, this is it. This is how you have to select and keep the uh, toggle these buttons so that the proper video appears. Okay, now you can just place this video of whichever part you want inside that green screen and put some animations to it. Okay, so here you have the white content. What you are going to do is you're just going to place it there. For example, if I have a business promotion flyer there, I have to place it there in this way. Okay, so this is here, and I have to use the animation effects wherever it's going. Wherever it's going, I have to move my keyframe there. Fine, that is how it works. Fine, you're just going to try it out with all of these effects, inshallah, in tomorrow's class. I'll just provide all of this for you all. So yeah, in this way it appears so beautifully, right? If it's moving up, I want you all to use the animation and move this video up. So how you're going to move the animation? Take the keyframe, add a plus button. It's down here, right? So now if you add it somewhere here and just press the keyframe, if you press the keyframe, you just can move it somewhere at the upper edge in this way. Okay, and that way you're going to make use of keyframes. That will be taught in tomorrow's class, inshallah. This is how you're going to make the business promo videos, inshallah ta'ala. So tomorrow we are going to do it along with you. So this is a thing that I had to teach you. I wanted to teach you in today's class so that in tomorrow's class you are prepared for all of this, inshallah. You are going to be prepared, well prepared for all of this, inshallah. Try to be very attentive and concentrating in tomorrow's class so that you will learn how to move these animations along with the green screen that is provided. And inshallah, you're going to learn the breaking news content, how you're going to edit. You're also going to learn how to edit how to make the business promos, inshallah ta'ala, in tomorrow's class and more. So this was the class for today. Hope you all found it interesting. Any doubts in the session, I want you all to just mention it up now in the chat box, inshallah ta'ala. So I'll be taking all of your doubts now, inshallah. Put all of your doubts in the chat box, inshallah, so that I will be replying to each one of you, inshallah. I'll try to help you. I'll try to solve all of your doubts, inshallah ta'ala. So yes, dear sisters and brothers, I'll just take the chat box. Okay, a quick recap on whatever here we have studied. Please put it in the chat box, dear sisters and brothers here. Okay, chalo. So okay, I'm not able to see the chat. Okay, alhamdulillah, I can see. Pinning option was discussed, alhamdulillah. Can you show the pinning option? Yes, I have discussed it. Can you please show how to change the background once again? You just have to delete it, my dear sisters and brothers. I've told you just now. You have to delete the videos and pin the content that you wanted. Fine, and then you're just going to place it. Fine. Okay, alhamdulillah. So any more doubts, please write in the chat box, dear sisters and brothers. Yes, dear students, I want you all to mention it in the chat box. Any doubts? Any doubts? Please mention in the chat box. So let me just have a quick recap on the lesson. What did we study in today's class? Yes, please. What did we all study in today's class, dear sisters and brothers here? Was it about the business promo videos? Yes, this is about how we are going to create the business promotion videos in tomorrow's class and more, inshallah ta'ala. Okay, hope you all found it interesting. you also can create this such a beautiful content just by using the green screen and more, inshallah ta'ala. So, and what more did we discuss in today's class? How to remove the background video so that you can add the content that will match along with the screen or the text, inshallah. So you wanted how to delete it and add it, dears. Okay, can you please show how to change the background once again? Yes, I'll show it just now. Can you all just bear for 5 more minutes, inshallah? I'll just show you how you're going to remove it just now, inshallah. Okay. So I was repeatedly doing it here and there. Probably you have not seen it with concentration. Please concentrate. How we are going to do is you're just going to delete up the background. Click on the background. Let me just click on the background. First thing, you're going to pin whatever is required because the ordering might change. These text, just pin it, pin it, pin it, pin it, pin, pin, pin. How to pin it? Just click and put on the pin. Okay. Next, go and delete all of the videos. Delete, delete, delete. Delete all of the videos. All of the videos are going to be deleted now. All of the content is not gone. Remember, all of the content, your content is not gone. It is available here. But if you press on the back option, it will go. All of the content will get deleted. Please, dear sisters, do not press on the back option after deleting all of the videos. Fine. Okay. Now all of the content is here. It is here, but it is just showing the opacity, low opacity, because you do not have a base video. To add a base video, let me just add a simple wallpaper there. There are image assets. Let me go to the image assets and see if you have a simple wallpaper. I do not have any simple wallpaper. I can just download from the Pixabay. There is something called Pixabay here. Can you all just see here? Pixabay, they provide any number of videos and photos for free of cost for the KineMaster users. So I'll just type there and search for the wallpaper or something like a designed background or something like that. Background. Okay, just search there. It will show you hundreds of options, inshallah, so that you can just add it up into your videos. Or these are all free of cost. These are all copyright free that are provided for the KineMaster editors, video editors. Fine. The Pixabay, the Pixels, they all provide you with the different options. So here you can just add any of the backgrounds, whichever you want. I probably select the light options because we are having the darker editing tool. So I'll just select this heart wala video. They just download this media. It is just the photo that is downloaded. So this download is failed because probably there is low network connectivity here. The Wi-Fi connection probably might be poor. You just can download it easily and just place it in your project. That's all. Okay. I'll just show you how you're going to deal with it. Okay. Just a moment. Okay, if this is not downloaded, I'll just show you how you can use the base videos that are already available on the KineMaster. And the media, go to the image assets and just make use of the content that is already available here. So probably you all have seen the Surah Al-Mulk videos on the Reminder After Reminder YouTube channel. I have used this wallpaper and over there. Can you all just go and check the Reminder After Reminder channel? And there is something called Surah Al-Mulk with Asma Huda. So I want you all to check those videos. This is a wallpaper that I used. It was the KineMaster edit video that I had. Probably it was edited excellently because the reviews and the comments there, alhamdulillah, were so excellent. I have edited those videos in very much detail. I want you all to see those videos once, and you can look into it and say what were the edits made, because you are, alhamdulillah, you are the editors now. You all are the best and excellent video editors now. You can edit more better than me, inshallah. So what you can do here is you can just pan and zoom it, right? So for this, let me just pan and zoom, or just increase the size, or just see the cropping or something like that, and just increase the size of it. Where is pan and zoom? It is over here. Increase it, or you can just see it on this side, or you can put here on this side. And this is how you're just changing up the wallpaper. This is it. We have changed the wallpaper. Subhanallah. This is how we have changed the wallpaper. Okay. Hope you all found it good. See, this looks better than the background videos that we had chosen, right? So this is it. You can just make a simple wallpaper and put it all inside it. Have you all understood this? You need to change the background videos as such. Inshallah, this would be quite beneficial. You can just make the backgrounds as the lighter ones, right? So that you can just so I'm just undoing it because I wanted the previous project that I want. So instead of undoing it, what you can do before changing is I want you all to duplicate the project and keep, because there will be a fear that you lost this project. You all know that if you press the back option, all of it will gone, all of it will be just saved out. So what you all have to do is you have to duplicate the projects how much ever what times you want. You just have to duplicate and then give it a try. Okay. If you are going to try with the deleting of backgrounds also, what you have to do is click on the three dot option, duplicate the project and keep. That project will remain as such behind. You don't have to worry about the previous one. Keep it as such. The previous video was here. It's kept safe here. Okay. Now we can edit with a newer video and just you can delete the videos and anything there. Okay. Alhamdulillah. Hope you all find it fine, and I hope you all have understood how to remove the background videos. Any of the doubts, please type in the chat box, dear sisters and brothers. Yes, any doubts? The websites that I mentioned, I for edits for the YouTube, it is on YouTube channel. Okay. Replace options also works fine. Yes, dear sister, replace options also works fine. But if there are tens of videos that have put inside the timeline of the KineMaster, then replace option won't work fine, because there are tens, and if there are 10 of the videos and you want to delete all of the videos and then you are going to replace it, right? Yeah, okay, no problem. You can try with the replace options as well, dear sister. Can you please write the website's name? Yes, yes, dear student. It will be written. It is nothing but I for edits. It is available on the YouTube channel. How to download it is same. It was already told how to download it. It is nothing but you're going to okay, how to download it. You're going to the browser and just you're going to write. You're just going to go to the YouTube channel I for edits. Okay, and see how beautiful graphical they have designed the graphic design their videos. They have all made it free of cost for the YouTubers or the creators. They are available free of cost. You can just copy the URL. Okay, copy the URL and you can just go to the Google browser or any browser, Chrome browser, or wherever you have any browser, you just go there and type online download of YouTube videos. Okay, just see any of the YouTube downloaders. Yes, YouTube downloader will work fine. Just copy and paste it there. That will be available. I for edits will work fine. Okay, they have the most of the Islamic contents there, so we prefer the Islamic editors prefer I for edits. Fine. They have Islamic content there. Okay, they have some contents for the Ramadan. They have content for the Quranic videos. They have content for the lower thirds for the Quranic videos. All of this are available on I for edits. Okay, they do not have such a great following, but inshallah the videos there are very much helpful. Okay, so hope you all found the session interesting. Hope you all have taken much of the knowledge from me, inshallah ta'ala. May Allah increase you all in knowledge. May Allah Okay, may Allah help you all with this, inshallah. Inshallah, please recollect all the tools, sister. Yes, I have already told you how to use all of the tools. It was already explained in each of the classes that tools, all of the tools were explained in previous classes, right? Alhamdulillah. So just watch the videos for day 1 to day 10 or whichever you want. The titles of the recordings are given there. You just can watch it and make use of it. Make use of any tools that you find interesting, inshallah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.